Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today's topic is treating acne. Before we get started, click that subscribe button and the notification bell. If you don't click the notification bell, you won't see any of our updates. So, how do you treat acne? Leave a comment below. Some people pop their pimples with Q-tips, like Anilsa Brown. Is that your preferred method? Others use a Comedone extractor. That's Dr. Sanjali's method. Let's look at some examples. Other people go to a skincare professional, like Jada Kennedy, for their pops. Have you ever been to an esthetician to pop your pimples? Again, comment below with your preferred method of skincare treatment. Do you use over-the-counter salves or creams? Many people with cystic acne have seen major results with Accutane. Of course, squeezing your zits with your fingers is also a solution. Take a look at these examples, or check out our Comedone extractor kit in the description below. Again, comment below what is your preferred method for fighting acne. We want to hear from you and read what others are saying. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.